Y'all, guess what? We got a highway truck coming, and after that, on track 3, there's a Amtrak 89 coming, Symbols 3, Palomino to Savannah, Georgia. From that, it's New York to Savannah, Georgia. This is going to be a good train. It's a highway truck, but I don't know where the Amtrak train is. In the AOC 42 in front. They're measuring some tracks. Looks like that plate's from Maryland or something. I don't know where the Amtrak train is. Oh, should be close. Oh, yep, right behind. Wow, it didn't train me. Hello. Wow, look at that, son. It didn't train me. Kid joined us. Phase 7. I thought it was a regular charger, but it's actually a Phase 7. I never knew that. Huh. A lot of people on this train, but I don't know wait for a soon break. Wow. That is really hot open. That was a good train, son. Milepost 8.2 had 32 axles on it.
Wow.
And it had a medium approach. It's on track 3. It's going to Savannah, Georgia. I don't know what the highway truck's doing or that. I don't know where that switcher unit went, but I guess he's way back in the yard. I don't think he's coming back. But anyway, this is on live action. I don't think the defective test is going to go off more for the Amtrak train. He only went off. But anyways, they were measuring the track, so that wait from him. That was a good train. Hope we get some more. More defect detectors. That was a good train, son. Live action has staples, man. Look at that. First time I've seen that on YouTube. Wow. Alright, that was a good train meet, son.